Hello, my name is Jennifer Velosa, and today I'm going to explain how we can use the technological tool lyric training. Okay, to begin with, I will say that it is a very useful tool that teachers can use to practice pronunciation and learn with new vocabulary through songs. Something that the students can have fun learning with. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in Google we can write lyric training. Okay, okay. Once it loads, we click the first link. Okay. Okay, in the technological tools, we can choose or search for the song that we like the most to practice. For example, I'm going to choose um, the perfect song by Ed Sheeran. The perfect by Ed Sheeran. Okay, something important about this tool is that for each song we can choose a level, be it be it a beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. At each level, we can read where it explains how many words are missing in each song to make it easy or difficult. I must say that this this tool consists of completing the words that are missing according to the lyrics or the song, and as the song progresses, mm, if the correct word is not placed, the song stops until we place the correct word, and if we don't place the correct word, the time will stop. It's running or out, and when it's over, we lose. Okay, so I'm going to choose the beginner level, which has a 29 missing words in the lyric of the song. Okay, here we can start. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Um, as we can see in the appear part, we can see we can see the points that the tool give us for each sources. Uh, the words that we are completing, that in the end must be a total of 29 words. The number of successes and failures that we have, and the in in red red, mm, that is running out if we don't put the correct words on time. Okay, now knowing everything about how the tool is handled, we can start.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
Okay, thank you so much.